Hi everyone, it's Amber. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I did this elf look, a sad elf. I started out by blocking my eyebrows, like half of them, and applying my base off camera. I always use a liquid foundation and a powder on top. After that I started just contouring and kind of mapping out my face with eyeshadows. I used orange and red tones for my mouth and my nose and under my eyes, and for my eyelids and like the crease of my eyes I used a purple and a black. After that I went straight to the lips, I don't know why, but I used a red lipstick with red orangey eyeshadow on top to make it matte, and now I am applying some shinies with a white face paint. With this look it is really important to blend a lot. I'm also not really using any highlighter because I really want to create that effect with the face paint and a little accent. So I'm applying it to my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, my lips to make them look glossy in a cartoony way, under my eyes, and on the inner corners of my eyes. If I didn't already say that. At this moment I was just creating as I went, so the order of me doing things is very weird. But also the reason why this is sad elf, because I was sad in real time when I created this. Sometimes I get sad, like the big sad, like really diagnosed depression sad, and for me what also helps is to just create and do something. So that's what I did with this. So like you could see, I just filled in my eyebrows, kind of like normal, but I made them shorter. I really like it when people draw eyebrows like this, so I was like, I'm going to give myself those stumpy eyebrows. And I'm making the contrast between the eyebrows and eyes even bigger by elongating my eyes with an eyeliner. Because I still kind of missed a little bit of shine, like real shine, I'm applying a gold face paint to my eyelids. And now is the sad part, the tears. I started out with a white face paint. And I created tears on both of my eyes. On one, a really long and droopy tear, on the other one, small ones, because I really like asymmetry in makeup looks. I also continued on doing the little shinies around my eyebrows, around the corner of my eyes, and on my cheeks. You might not really see it on camera, but I applied a lot of blush on my cheeks. So now it's time for the little black accents. I'm applying some tiny eyelashes and I don't even know what to call them, but like I said, cartoon characters have them a lot, like little lines to accentuate certain parts of the face. I'm doing that with the corners of my mouth, even though it wasn't really successful, tip of my nose and then I just let that be and continued with mascara. Like I said, didn't really have a plan. I'm applying some false eyelashes and oh, I did finish all the little black accents. Where did that video go? And for this I'm using my own hair and just applying some elf ears. These just go around your ears and are really great, especially if you have piercings like I do. And I really miss my green hair. But that's the whole look. Sorry if the explanation wasn't great. I didn't know what I was doing. But it would be great if it was still useful just to do something inspired by this. If you do, let me know, tag me on Instagram or something. I would love to see that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.